something is holding you back from achieving your goals and living the life you want? If so, it could be your subconscious mind. Fortunately, Udemy has a course that can help you reprogram your subconscious mind and create positive changes in your life. The Make Subliminal Audios and Reprogram Your Subconscious Mind course is designed to teach you how to create powerful subliminal audios that can help you achieve your goals. One of the most important things you will learn in this course is how to create subliminal messages that speak directly to your subconscious mind. You will learn how to use affirmations and other techniques to create powerful messages that can help you overcome limiting beliefs, increase your self confidence, and achieve your goals. Another critical aspect of this course is learning how to use subliminal audios effectively. You will learn how to use different techniques to embed the subliminal messages in your audio tracks and how to use binaural beats and other sounds to enhance the effectiveness of your audios. The course also covers essential skills such as audio editing and mixing, so you can create high quality subliminal audios that sound professional and engaging. You will learn how to use softwares like Audacity and how to use it to edit and mix your tracks, and how to finally create a polished and a finished product. But the real value of this course is in how it can help you change your life. By reprogramming your subconscious mind with positive affirmations and messages, you will be able to overcome the limiting beliefs and also achieve your goals with ease. Whether you want to lose weight, quit smoking, or achieve financial abundance, this course can help you get there. One of the best things about this course that it is self-paced, so you can learn at your own speed. You will have a lifetime access to the course materials, so you can come back and review the lessons whenever you need to. And if you have any questions or need help, I'm always available to provide you support and guidance. Some of the lessons are available for free previewing. So, you can decide if you understand the way the course is going, if you understand how I teach, how my language, and everything else. Overall, if you're looking to make a positive change in your life and overcome limiting beliefs, make subliminal audios and reprogram your subconscious mind. This course on Udemy is an excellent investment. With its comprehensive coverage of essential skills and techniques, you will be well equipped. The link to this course is given in the description. Please subscribe to this channel if you wish to be informed and updated of these kind of courses. Thank you, namaste, and have a great day ahead.